So today we have the grade 5 pupils now doing some activities with their plants in this garden in a sack, which is a project of Kabuluan Elementary School, and they are now required to do some kind of cultivation, yung pagbubungkal ng lupa sa paligid ng puno ng tanim upang lumuwag ang hangin at ang lupa nang sa gayon makapasok ang hangin, and then it will be easier for them to water their plants. Everybody is now cultivating her or his own plant. Natututo na silang gamitin ang kanilang knowledge upang maalagaan so they could take care of their plants. Today, it's the 22nd day of the month of September 2010. We are requiring yung grade 5 pupils to do cultivation, and they are now cultivating their plants.